Hi there! In this video, we will explore how to disable link preview feature in docs, slides, and drawings using SafeDoc, a powerful tool designed to enhance productivity and security. Link preview feature is designed to enhance user experience by providing quick access to linked content, but it can also lead to distractions in educational and professional settings. Turning off link previews can help organizations maintain a more focused and secure environment, ensuring that users concentrate on the content without the distraction that comes from automatically generated previews. That's where ex-Fanatical SafeDoc comes to the rescue. This powerful tool offers a solution to disable link preview feature, helping restore productivity and enhance the overall learning experience for the class. Getting started is a breeze. Go to Chrome Web Store page, search for SafeDoc, then click Add to Chrome to add this extension. Once it is installed, by setting up the SafeDoc block doc link preview policy, you can disable link preview feature in docs, slides, and drawings easily. To know more, please visit exfanatical.com.